Hey, listen, you're in business, right? I'm in business, right? Well, I believe certain things. I believe that in order to improve business performance in this business economy, we need to increase our financial IQ. Listen, banks are here because small businesses need to grow, right? If there are two people involved in a business, one person knows how to make it and the other person knows how to sell it. But I hope you know that 80% of all of the businesses that go out of business every year is because they don't understand finances and basically how money flows through their business, right? I mean, whether you like math or numbers or not, small business owner, you have to do finances. Matter of fact, your most important job is that of being a financial planner. I hate to break it to you, but I got tools for you in case you don't have time to go to all the fancy classes and all that. I got you. The reason why I got you is because I needed me, and I'm going to be the change that I want to see in this world. So let me continue on. Who sets the price in your business? Guess who sets the price in your business? Who? Your fucking competition sets the price in your business. So making money and no profits basically is a failure to manage your cash flow, people. All right. Finance is basically the language or communication between banks and business owners. Period, point blank. You need both profits and cash in your business because the absence of profit is basically like a long-term disease. Okay. Um, Cash flow isn't situational. Either you have it or you don't. Okay. So this is why I'm here because I've taken the time to do all this fancy educational stuff on how to run these businesses the correct way. And all the game that I get for free, I'm putting it right on YouTube. So if you see this TikTok or this on Facebook or Instagram, please go to Black Girl Magic Masters LLC on my YouTube channel to get the full video. The full video. Matter of fact, we're on it right now. We're going to finish out this talk about money flow mastery in small businesses. This is what we're doing. More money does not mean, hey, listen, hey, baby, you're in business, right? So I'm in business. We're going to let TikTok do what they got to do, YouTube. We just said hello to Queen Gabs, my gift of Gab. But I want to continue on this conversation about money. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we can control our own business, but you're definitely going to have to have the tools. And that's what I got for you. So I believe the best way for us to do this is to do it in small little increments, small little bites. And if you notice that my thumbnail is blue, it's because I'm an autism mom. And I'm a pretty autism mom. And I actually sell, to support my son as he graduates from public high school in 2022. I've been trying to raise a little money by selling Baby Shark Blue fingernail polish. So if you would love to support me, I'm going to put the link here in my YouTube right here so that you guys can just support me and my son as we get on going on this wonderful journey of autism. So if you don't know about autism, just know this. They are God's gift to us, period. So anyway, I digress. And let's move back on to this money flow mastery for small businesses because there's a couple of key points that you guys need to understand. That just because you got a bunch of sales does not mean that you're doing really good. Like one good example is whenever you go see your accountant, most small business owners, if they didn't pay no taxes, they literally go excited. They're like, hey, I didn't owe no taxes. There wasn't no red. Mistake number one. Okay. I'm going to tell you right now. The story of your business is the story of your financial statements. And if your financial statement, your first one, your profit and loss statement on your income statement says that you don't owe no money and you didn't really go in the red and you don't really owe no taxes, for some odd reason, y'all think that's a good thing. It's not. It's not at all. So I have a question for you. Is your business for sale? I mean, it can be bought, but how much is your business worth? Right? I mean, what is the net worth of your business? And basically, that's assets, all the stuff that you own, minus all the stuff that you owe, liabilities, right? And that is basically your net worth, what you own versus what you owe. There's two cycles that you have to manage. You have to manage in business. You have to manage your profit cycle and you got to manage your cash cycle. I mean, I know I'm getting a little bit into the weeds of this, but stay with me here. Stay with me here. You also need to know what working capital is. What is working capital? Working capital is the money that you use to operate your business, right? Or money in the bank. Current assets minus current liabilities is working capital. Because what happens is when you're in a business, you can have current money and you can have current assets or future, or current liabilities or future liabilities, accrual and a cash basis. See, basically in accounting, there's two things. Either your business is making a bunch of cash and that's what we're recording, or your business is taking invoices and doing stuff on account with credit and things of that nature. So we'll have to get into that in another video. If you want more information on accounting basics, just go ahead and hit me up in the comments here, YouTube, and I will oblige. I mean, that's what I'm here for. I'm here for my community. I'm Minority Business Builder #1, the champion and queen of equity, diversity, and inclusion. And let's continue on, because now that we know what the definition of a net worth is, your net worth, and what the definition of your working capital, we need to look at some things. Okay, so what happens is in your business, you get the cash. You sell something and you get cash, right? That cash, then you're going to use it to either buy more inventory, right? Right? Once you get that inventory, it is basically money that can be received in the future. And that's called accounts receivable. And that is the cycle. Cash, inventory, accounts receivable. Cash, inventory, accounts receivable. Cash, inventory, accounts receivable, right? Because that's how money flows through your business. All right. I'm going to try to keep these at 10 minutes, but I might go over a little bit. Now, one of the things that I like to talk about is inventory for services-based businesses and inventory for product-based businesses. Now, we all know how, if you got a product, you can keep it in inventory. But what most small business owners or most people that don't know, or, that are new to this business thing, is that you can also have inventory in service businesses. You got your lawyers, your accountants, you got your consultants like myself, and our inventory is called billable hours. Say it with me. Billable hours. All right. You already know. Okay. So I'm just going to keep on learning y'all on that. Now, if we, because this is how you actually communicate with your accountant, right? Your accountant goes, if we made a profit, where is it? That's what I basically say. That's what your accountant. And if you fail to distinguish between profit and cash flow, this is going to be an issue, right? And again, I will reiterate, just because you paid no taxes doesn't mean your business is doing good. And we're going to break that down in future videos, but you definitely need to have 3 sets of financial statements. Now, some have 4. but you need a set of financial statements for the IRS, a set of financial statements for your bank, a set of financial real ones, and then a set of financials for your ex-boss. Okay, I'm just playing. Okay, anyway. But you know, which set of books do you have? Just don't lie, right? You know what I'm saying? Keep a really accurate set of books. Special note, that the money flow, the way that money flows through the business, right? We get the cash, we reinvest it in the business, then we take it home or get the dividends, then we repay debt, and now we put these debts in priority sequence. You know what I'm saying? But let me reiterate one more time, because I'm now at 11 and a half minutes, that if you do not pay no taxes, you can not do any of those things. All right, so we're going to end that video right now, because that was the beginning of your money flow mastery class part beginning. Because I'm not even going to put no numbers on it. We're just going to keep it going, because we ain't even got time for this. We will not get left in the dust, not if I have anything to do with it. Black Girl Magic Masters, you already know. Follow me. Go to my website. Follow me on TikTok. I'm actually Black Girl Magic Masters on TikTok. I'm Keela Chiquila on Instagram. Actually, B-Day Lady Magic on Instagram as well. I mean, you can find me by following Chiquila Richardson or Shaquila Barnhill. You can find me. But like I said, I'm here to save you guys, and all this game for free was gave for free to me. So trust me, I'm not losing out on a thing. And I'll be making sure that you guys get all that information and put right here on my YouTube channel, because we're busy and we got cheering and things is going down. So love, peace, and hair grease. We're at 12 minutes and 15 seconds. I love you guys. Thank you for staying along. We will be doing corresponding videos for the money flow mastery classes. All right. Peace.